Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Hope you're doing great today. I'm in a new setup, as you can see, because I'm on the road working and just chasing some hail. But I have some old footage I like to edit and I'm bringing it to you. So this is a crease, a big crease I did. It was on the right quarter panel. It was very long, as you can see, and it gave me a lot of headache to fix it. As you can see in the video, the dent is quite wide and quite sharp, 28 centimeters, and I mentioned before that this gave me quite a headache, and the reason it did give me a headache is because half of the dent had that rubber reinforcement underneath. When I took this off, this is holding the doors in, I found a nice little entrance. I started out with the Dentcraft interchangeable tip rod, the smaller diameter one, and on it was an R4 cherry cap to get the whole crease smaller. Here I changed it to a sharper tip with the PDR Finesse pick tool, and I also used the PDR Finesse rod for Mark Turkis. This is how the dent looked before I went to the cleanup phase. After cleaning up, a little sanding and buffing, this is how it turned out. Like always, thank you so much for watching. Make sure you click the like, make sure you click the subscribe button, and I will see you on the next one.